Hello guys, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 5th day of our African cookie Palooza, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this cookie as well. Today we are going to South Africa and we are going to make chocolate pepper cookies. So let's get into the recipe. For today's chocolate cookies is double chocolate cookies with a hint of black pepper. And it's delicious and very easy to make. These are the ingredients that we're going to use for our recipe today. We need semi-sweet chocolates. You can also use bittersweet chocolate. I have all-purpose flour, brown sugar. I have cinnamon and nutmeg in this bowl right here, baking soda, a pinch of salt, an egg. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat my oven to 325, and by the time I finish mixing everything, it will be ready for the cookies. And next I'm going to melt half of this semi-sweet chocolate. You can easily melt it in the microwave, but for this I would like to use double boiler to melt my chocolate. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a simmer water in this saucepan and place this bowl on it with half of the chocolate for it to melt. The next step is to put all our dry ingredients and mix them for all the spices to distribute evenly in the flour. So I'll pour my flour first, add baking soda, nutmeg and ground cinnamon, pinch of salt, then our black pepper. Then I just whisk everything together and set it aside till needed. Going to cream my softened or room temperature butter with the brown sugar until creamy. Then I'll go ahead and add the egg and vanilla extract so it's well combined. So now just scrape down everything. Then add the egg and the vanilla extract and whip it so well mixed. And this is our melted chocolate. Slow but gently and well melted, and there are no traces of whole chocolate in it. So now I can take it off. So for final take, we're just going to add the rest of the whole chocolates into it. You can also chop them into little pieces if you prefer it that way. going to put this one in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes just for the dough to be workable. Then when we come back, we're going to bake it. So after 10 minutes in the fridge, our dough is ready to be molded and baked. I'm just going to use my ice cream scoop right here just to scoop even sizes. So I'm going to bake this in 325 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. So these have been in the oven for 14 minutes exactly, and they are perfect. They are set. So I'll just leave them here to cool down. Then I'll transfer them a little bit onto the cooling rack as well.